Hey guys, welcome back to Box Projects, and today we have a brand new car we just picked up on Saturday, and here it is. This is our 1981 Toyota Celica coupe, and we're just gonna do a little walk around for you guys and show you why we bought this car and why it's so dirty.
I don't know why it's a very good reason to buy a car, but
yeah. So we'll just start with the outside here. As you can see, it's just super caked on dirt here. You can't really see it as well up here. On the window you can really see it. It was garage kept at a storage unit kind of thing in an apartment, and so
before that it was under a tree.
Yes, before that it was a forest find kind of car, and they got it running, and then the previous owner, they got it running really well. So yeah, as you can see, it's just like super caked on dirt up here, and it's brown if you couldn't tell. I couldn't, so and then yeah, this window is just like super duper dirty. So it is on come down here, it is on super wheels with GT radials on there, so that's a really nice touch, because like not having stock rims on there really makes a big difference. So today we're just going to be cleaning this thing up, and got the shop vac out, and I'm going to come look at the trunk over here. It's got a lot of stuff in it, because this is it's got the famous 22R carbureted engine in here. So this is what it came with, all this stuff, and it has a brand new Holley carburetor, 4-barrel carburetor on there, and so here's the old airbox kind of pump. The car is relatively rust-free, except for a couple spots right here. As you can see, it's a little bit of rust right here and right here. The reason why there's electrical tape over here is because we're going to be washing it, and there was just a little pinhole, so we didn't want water and getting in there. And here's the interior. You can see the seat is trashed.
Beautiful.
And
beautiful. What kind of an idiot would buy this?
Yeah, I don't know. Definitely not me. But yeah, it's got all the trim pieces back there, center console, all that's missing. It's all right back here. So other than that, it's relatively complete.
Other than the fact that it's missing 100 things, it's complete.
Yeah. Other than that, so passenger. Yeah. So you guys want to see this 22R here? The Holley carb on here.
Is it a Weber or a Holley?
Oh, I think it's a Weber. Okay. There she is. It's your 22R motor here. So you have a new fuel pump, brand new Weber carburetor with the air filter on there, and it came with a lot of parts to kind of do some deleting. Get to that a little later. Brand new battery in here, because we couldn't get it started, so they had to go buy a brand new battery. But so yeah, here's this. It runs incredibly smooth, unlike another car we had. Unlike the Z, it has a lot less electronics in here.
And it's going to have even less.
Yeah, it's going to have even less.
It's going to have
awesome.
0 when we get done.
Yeah. Awesome thing ever.
When the EMP hits, this one's going to keep running.
Yep. So,
okay, well, it's time to get the pine needles off of it.
Yep.
go.
So
First
spraying
bit of
it
water
off.
on it. Look at that grime on there. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't know how well the video shows it, but that is one dirty car.
Okay, here we go. Got our soap and our
Lots of water.
Yeah, I know.
Lots of water. There you go.
Yeah, we're just not even gonna wring it out.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We start on the hood.
Yeah, start on top.
Yeah, start on
Is it nice and smooth?
top. No, no.
Is it like washing concrete?
It's getting smooth though. It's
Is it?
smooth now.
Yeah, it's good.
It's smooth now. Right there it is.
Nice.
It's just gonna, don't go too hard. You just gotta like, kind of let it glide over.
There you go.
Take off all the dirt.
All right, sounds good. Okay, so this is our initial wash, just to get the heavy stuff off. So anyway, she's a little better, but we will wash her again here in about 15 minutes. I'll let her just kind of get dry again and see where our real problem areas are, and then we will wash it again. Okay, well, this is 3 washes. 3 washes. There's the whole thing right there, pretty much. Boom. Next, we're going to clay bar it and then wax it.
Okay, so I'm just taking these this clay bar right here, just from AutoZone or whatever, and this gets all the grime and all that stuff that you can't see but you can feel off of there after you wash it. So you just get the surface wet, and then you just go along it, whatever pattern you want, circles, whatever, and then you're gonna need a lot of water on here for it to glide along here. It doesn't really doesn't look like you're doing much, but then you feel it, and it's like super smooth, like it's brand new, because it gets all that grime off that you can't see. And so after you're done with your panel here, you can just grab a hose.
Wait, you got a kink in the hose? How does that happen?
Now you're gonna grab your hose and you're gonna
Yeah.
spray off. That gets most of the residue off, but then you'll go ahead and need to wash it afterwards, and that'll get all of it off. So we just did most of this car, and so we're gonna go ahead and finish that up. Yeah. Okay, so now we finished the whole clay bar, then dried it off. Now it's gonna be waxing it. Got this wax here. I'm just gonna put it right on here, just like that. Then put it in.
Probably gonna need twice that much.
Yep, I would guess so. Oops.
Yeah. There we go. See how she turns out.
All right, so here she is after our wax. It didn't quite come out how we thought it was gonna come out. You know, like it comes out on the truck and everything, but the paint's just so old, it absorbs so much of the wax that you can't just get it off like you can some other car.
Looks pretty freaking good.
It looks really good though. It is a little cloudy in person, but I don't know if that's going to show up on camera. But it is a little cloudy if you look at certain angles. But other than that, it's a huge difference than what it was when we got it.